Eurasian Hoopoe or Upupa Epops has very distinctive plumage. Its upper body is reddish-brown with striking black and white wings and a long tail that can be fanned out like an umbrella. The hoopoe is a skilled insectivore. They use their long, curved beak to search for insects, larvae, and worms in the ground. Their ability to find food in this way is highly effective. Hoopoe have a rich cultural history. In ancient Greek mythology, this bird was considered a symbol or messenger of importance. They also appear in many stories and poems from various cultures. Eurasian hoopoe can be found across much of Europe, Western Asia, and parts of Africa. They often migrate to warmer regions during the winter. When constructing nests, hoopoe often use holes in trees, walls, or even human houses. They are also known for making unique nests by incorporating materials like dry grass and leaves. Female hoopoe often reside in nests created by males, and after laying eggs, they cover the nest with droppings to maintain cleanliness and reduce odors that could attract predators. I hope these facts help you get to know and appreciate the Eurasian hoopoe better. That's a little information about the Eurasian hoopoe or Upupa Epops bird that Megono Chirpy can summarize. Hopefully it can be useful and broaden your insight. Thank you.